Snoring is a sound we've all heard, but what causes it? Let's dive into the science of snoring and what it means for your health. Snoring occurs when airflow through your mouth and nose is partially blocked, causing the tissues to vibrate. During sleep, throat muscles relax, and this can partially block the airway, especially during deeper sleep stages. Colds, allergies, or a deviated septum can obstruct airflow, leading to snoring. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue to fall backward, narrowing the airway and increasing snoring. Being overweight, drinking alcohol, or smoking can contribute to snoring by relaxing muscles or adding pressure to the airway. Sometimes snoring can signal a more serious condition called obstructive sleep apnea, where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. Sleeping on your side can help keep your airway open and reduce snoring. Losing weight, avoiding alcohol before bed, and quitting smoking can make a big difference. Nasal strips and humidifiers can reduce nasal congestion and make breathing easier during sleep. If snoring persists or is accompanied by other symptoms, consult a doctor for evaluation and treatment. Snoring may be common, but understanding its causes and solutions can help you sleep better and stay healthier. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and subscribe to Assist Health for more videos like this.